How to convert multiple images into a single PDF. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can convert multiple photos into a single PDF. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser, and on your web browser, simply search for small PDF. After you search for small PDF, head over to its website. This is the one. Tap on it. You can directly go to smallpdf.com as well. Then here you'll see tools option. Tap on tools, and on tools you'll find an option that says convert to PDF section right here. And here all you need to do is you can choose an option that says JPG to PDF. Now this will convert any images or any number of images to a single PDF. So I'll just open up a file location which has my pictures. So select the pictures, drag it and drop it. And after doing that, you will see these many pictures. Now, all I have to do is tap on this option. Now, if you want separate PDFs, you can toggle this button on as well, but we'll just create a single one. Then tap on finish. Now it will start creating a document. And while it does that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So there we can see it's been created now. You can tap on download and the PDF is now downloaded. And there you can see it has created a single PDF for my multiple photos. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.